Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video we're going for a POV drive in my stage 1 Ford Fiesta ST. Now a few things is different from the last time we went out for a POV drive, and that is stage 1. We've got the white wheels and we've got a nice new Alcantara steering wheel cover as well, but we'll show you that when we get inside. Now just for you guys who haven't seen this car before, it has got a stage 1 kit on it. We have the Miltech non-resonated race exhaust around the back just here. You can see the Miltech tips just there, and we also have an ITG induction kit, so you're going to get some nice blow off noises in today's video. Let's quickly open that bonnet and show you guys. As you can see, we have the ITG induction kit here, the white silicone hose, so that gives off a really nice blow off noise. Then we have all the paint mods, engine bay white bits here on top as well to make it look nice and time with the white wheels. But yeah, it is raining, so let's hop inside and let's go for a drive. So as you can see in here, we have the nice white Alcantara steering wheel cover with the white centerline, white stitching, and all the perforated Alcantara on the sides here. And this is such a nice addition. It's a bit thicker than the standard wheel because the cover goes over the top, but it feels so good in your hands. And we also have just like a few little Alcantara bits on the interior here around the gear stick. And yeah, this car is so nice now on the inside. But without further ado, let's start the car and let's go for a drive. Alright everyone, we are now out onto the road, and I feel like ever since we've put this stage 1 map on the car, we use way more fuel than we did when it was completely stock. I mean, every time I go near that right pedal, I feel like I can see the fuel gauge going down. I can see that needle moving, I swear, but it's so worth it. For the joy I get out of the car now, the extra horsepower that we get, it's so much better. And yeah, I would not change it for the world. If anything, I would increase the power. But yeah, let's not mess about. We're on a country lane now. The roads are still kind of dry. They're a bit damp now. Let's put it into sport mode and let's go for a rip down this road. We've also, I'd like to mention, I've got a short shifter on the car as well. So the gear changes are really nice and crisp. That was actually the first thing that I put on the car. But yeah, when this traffic goes here, we've got a bit of space, we'll go for a little rip. Oh, it's slipping loads. Oh my God. I actually don't drive this car all that much. I only do short journeys in it. So when I get to open it up like I do now on the weekend, it is a lot of fun. Now the stage 1 kit that I have on this car is actually one that I did from home. It's from the guys over at AT Motorsport, their Voodoo stage 1 kit. It's so easy to install. I managed to do it. It downloads straight onto the car. It's so easy. I'll leave a link down below to that video, and also in the top right hand corner now you'll be able to see that video. It just makes the car feel more alive, and yeah, it is so much better. Here we go. Oh, it's slipping in this weather. Oh my God, I actually kind of like the conditions like this because the car feels more playful. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus Christ, what a machine. Alright everyone, it is a few hours later, and as you can see, we got blue skies and a dry road, so we can actually drive this thing a bit harder now. You know, we're not going to be spinning through all the gears. So yeah, let's get to a nice road and let's start driving properly. Second gear, still spinning. Whoa! This thing gets up to speed so quickly. It was still spinning in the second gear there, but when it does pick up, it just sends you back. Through all the gear changes as well. Every time you let off the throttle, bang, bang. Rev match, it's there. That noise is constantly just going. Oh, it sounds so good. RS4, that did sound nice. All right, let's go. Windows down. Oh, woo. God, it picks up so well in the dry. Third gear, low revs. Building that boost and then letting go is mad. Alright, let's go. go outside lane and show you just overtaking how easy it is. There's one car, goodbye. I'm now at the back of someone else. Hopefully we have a clear way. Yeah, let's go. Constantly trying to lose traction. Oh, it's so fast. I love this car. I love this car, man. Going through the gears like that with a short shifter. Oh, man. And it's got the power now to back it as well. The stage 1 has done bits, but I definitely want more power. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please leave a like and subscribe down below. And also let me know what you guys want to see next, modification-wise, on the Fiesta ST. Do you want more power? Do you want more exterior mods to make it look better? Splitters, side skirts, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching today's video. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's quickly do a last pull down here into second. It does sound pretty decent when that exhaust warms up. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.